Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how you can add a link into your YouTube video. This is done later after your video has been uploaded, or at least that's how I do it. It's easier that way, or when you're uploading your video. So here is a list of videos that I have already uploaded, and I'm going to work on the first one. And I always have this link that I use to get commission. If I refer a product to Amazon, you can actually get a link that you can get a little bit of commission. And so I will copy and paste just the link itself. And then I'm going to go to the editor, and you're going to go to this one right here, info cards. All right. So I'm going to click on edit. Actually, I already added one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And then I'm going to go back. I'm going to go save. And then I'm going to go back again, okay, to the editor tab. And then click on the info card and then click on link. So I'm adding a link info card. All right. And it's going to ask me to paste the link. Yeah, I forgot. So I'm going to go ahead and get the link again from my other tab. Hopefully I'm there. 1 second. I apologize. Okay, I got the link. Nope, I didn't get the link. Okay, I got the link. I don't know why it's not pasting. There you go. All right. So once it's pasted, it will try to pull the title from that page, from the HTML page. And obviously this is too long, so I'm going to truncate it. And it's going to try to guess the image. And I'm going to just click on that. So here we have an image for it. And this is still too long. So I'm going to cut it off even more. And then I'm going to have the call of action, which is click here, click here. I can't type today. To buy, help support my channel. Okay, so I am going to, you can move where you want this info card to be. Okay, and help support my channel. This is the teaser tags, or you can say buy this item to support my channel. All right. You see, that's kind of too long. It actually answers right here about support. So buy to support me. Okay, how about that? Okay, click on save. And it's right here. So you have many sections here. So you got whatever that is, and then you have the video, the audio, and here's the info link section. And you can actually grab this, and actually you have to click edit first. Once you click edit, you can grab it and you can move it at another time on the video. Okay, so let me show you. So when you get close to it, you'll see it pops up right here, and then it'll disappear again. And after a few seconds, there you go. All right. So when you click on it to test it out, let me see if I can click on it. Okay. And it goes to here and says click here to buy, just like we said. And then it'll actually go to that particular link. All right. Well, that is how you add a link. And you can add a link just to about any page or any URL from your video. This one just happened to be to Amazon. I hope you find this useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And that will let Google know that this is a great video and other people can discover it. And if you like the content, the useful content on my channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.